this beautiful weekend. Mr. Kimball, whenever you're ready. Ready, entry.
Most of our social events have a meal, whether it's a stomp dance or a powwow, or somebody wants to play bingo, or they're going to do their wild onion dinners, or, you know, a lot of times if someone's needing to raise money, it'll involve an Indian taco feed. Food is comforting for people, I feel like. Food brings people together. I mean, because we all want to eat, usually. And it usually brings a big crowd if you get somebody that knows how to cook. I'd say probably from the moment I was born. We were around Native American church, and then around powwows and sweats. Grew up through those my whole life. So around all of those, we would cook. So I would be helping set the tables, or helping serve at some way, shape, or form. When I was married to the kids' dad, Brian White, he is one of the speakers for the Seneca Cayuga tribes, and so he would get called upon to be the speaker for funerals. And the first couple of times when we were married, they would need a cook. And so he would be speaking, and I'd be there just twiddling my thumbs, be like, oh, all right, well, I'll go in the kitchen and I'll do the kitchen stuff. So then it just kind of picked up, well, since you're in here, how about you do this? Or do this. So then it just, the different ones from the Senecas would show me, Aunt Bert, Roberta White, or Aunt Pearl would show me, this is how the Senecas do it. So when you're here, this is the ways that you need to do to prepare for the feast and everything. So it just picked up, it started with him, and it grew from the Senecas to the Quapaws to the Ottawas, just to all the different various tribes in this area. From that moment on, I think I was 20. So it's been a lot of years. It's a busy life. Try not to require a lot of sleep, because if you require sleep, it is not going to happen. Make sure you take care of yourself first, mind, heart, body, and soul. We are very family-oriented people, you know. We like to be around, I would say, all of our people, you know. Our kids, our parents, you know, we're a tight-knit group of people. Come around, be around, step in and learn. Step up and say, hey, I want to help, and somebody will put you to work. Or I want to learn, and somebody will teach you. I think it's great that there's people that's wanting to learn again. But at the same time, it makes me sad, because I'm like, oh, all these kids are growing up. And, you know, and soon I'm not going to have anything to do, and it's going to be, my daughter's going to be the one that's doing it now. My son's going to be the one that's doing it. And I'm just going to be sitting back here going, where'd the time go? But, you know, it's good. It makes me happy that, you know, my daughter can do it. My son can do it, and they can teach. And my nephews can do it, you know. My nieces can do it. So it makes me excited that, you know, they can fill in that role, and they can take it on and not have any problems with it. It's an honor to be asked to do it. To me, it feels good. I feel like it's a blessing that the family can call on you and say, hey, can you come and cook? And you can go and do it. I know, it makes me feel good when they like my food. And then two, you know, you're helping that family out, especially if it's for a memorial or for a funeral. You know, they're grieving, or, you know, they're not feeling their best, so you get to go in there and you get to feed them, and you get to help them through their hard time. And so I think that it makes me feel good to be able to help in that way.